Hello friends, here's my slightly delayed Monday video. The first card today was inspired by a Mother's Day card I sent my mom many years ago. I recently spotted it displayed on her piano and thought, I need to recreate this. It's such a simple little card, but it has so much presence. Best of all, it really shows off how beautifully Stampin' Up's designer series paper coordinate. Let's get started. You'll need 3 pieces of cardstock, a 5.5 by 4.25. Each piece will be paired with your choice of designer series paper. The middle piece is 4.5 by 2 inches, and the last piece is 6.5 inches by 1.25. I find it easiest to adhere the DSP to the cardstock first. Then I'll score that at 2 3/4 inches. Oops, got to score from the back so the panel folds inward. So this creates a valley fold. Remember, you fold into the bump, right? So that's the ridge, or there, that's the bump. So you fold inward. So that's a valley fold. For the middle piece, you'll be scoring at 1/2 inch, 2 1/4, and 4 inches. But really, essentially, it's 1/2 inch on both ends. Again, I like to adhere the DSP first, then to score. This one is scored on the front because it folds outward. It's a mountain fold. See the bump on the back? That's when you fold into it. There we go. It sure would help with a bone folder, but I forgot to pack it with me. So for the final piece, you're simply scoring a 1/2 inch on each end. All right, and that's the whole structure. Easy, right? So the stamped images in this suite are stunning. They really evoke that painterly brushstroke look. I save my little ink spots from my paper pumpkins for travel, and they work perfectly here. By stamping off once, you can create a beautiful two-tone effect with just one ink pad. There we go. Voila. Looks like you've got 2 colors. The sentiment, oh, let's die cut first. So the sentiment is from the Words of Beauty set, which is also part of this online exclusive suite. I love the line style greetings. The coordinating dies are fantastic, especially the 3 label shapes that work with so many sentiments in your stash. The just and because words come in 2 styles, embedded or matted. Which do you prefer? Okay, for this leaf is die cut from the B side of one of the DSP sheets, giving you the natural gradient look with 0 effort. Okay, let's put everything together. So be sure to line up the center folds. Now where's the other piece? Oh, there it is. So I'm going to adhere the sentiment to the bottom panel. All right, that's done. So now just add your stamped pieces and dress up your card however you like. Here's a finished card I prepared earlier. I also wanted to show you that this card fits perfectly in your standard envelope. And the recipient opens up, pops it up, and displays it. All right, here's a second card I made to share with you. You'll notice I'm using the new embossing folder. I love pairing it with a 2-tone cardstock. If you just gently sand the raised areas, you get a soft distressed effect that works beautifully with this suite. Pretty cool, huh? All right, the last card is a simple 4 1/4 square just because card. Quick, sweet, and perfect for everyday occasions. I hope today's projects inspire you to play with the Brushed with Beauty suite, available right now online. And remember, with any $50 purchase in my online store, now through the end of month, you'll receive the PDF instructions and the supplies to make all 3 cards. The link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.